So this is the thing, the head is actually parented to this neck box. So when it's parented, it's the head is imitating the orientation of this box, right? So if there's a head, right, you know, the head is wobbling. You see. So this wobbling, if the head is in a wobbling position, this is governed by the mouse. So the camera is gonna be wobbling because the camera is parented to the head. It's gonna parent to the head, and if it's hit, the camera is gonna wobble, and it's up to the player whether they're gonna position it or stabilizing their own view. You know, if suppose I let go of this, all right, see, okay, and then just let it hit. Yeah, the head is stabilizing. You see, so it's between an options. If suppose if I lock the head to the neck, it's have more difficulty on the visibility when you are in a combat. If suppose you got hit, it's a big deal, because you have to stabilize the camera. So not trying to get hit is better. You have more visual visibility. If suppose if I just make it stable, it's easy, for them to track. But if suppose it is parented to this one, right, right, like really parented, and then it's got hit, the camera is gonna move wobbly, and it's up to the player, how to stabilize your head. So it's depending on two of them. I don't know which one is better. Yeah, but it's good. Give challenges to the player. It's not like when you got hit. It's not a big deal. But now it's like if you got hit, it's a big deal. Yeah. So we'll see.